Unforgettable advice on improving your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. There are just so many ways to define it, as it doesn't mean the same thing to everybody. There are also so many ways that somebody can market themselves or even other people. With so many ways to do things, you are probably wondering where you can begin. Try beginning with the tips noted here. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraph short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. Yes, affiliate marketing is quite a subject in that it is a completely individual business move. No two people market in the exact same fashion. What one finds helpful, the other may not. The tips below should have given you some advice on how to start creating an affiliate marketing plan that works for you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.